Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
Direct one's attention on something. Center, center, concentrate, focus, pour. Fasten with a rivet or rivets. Hold someone's attention. The discovery of the skull riveted the paleontologists. Ornament consisting of a circular rounded protuberance, as on a vault or shield or belt. Stud. Heavy pin having a head at one end and the other end being hammered flat after being passed through holes in the pieces that are fastened together.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.